Did you accidentally send a chat to the wrong person? Send it to the right person but spelled something wrong? Sent the wrong time you're available to meet? Want to take back what you said as soon as you said it? Delete or edit your chat message in one easy step. I'm Laura Mae Martin, Google's Productivity Advisor, here to show you how to work your space in Google Workspace. Today we'll show you how to delete or edit messages in Google Chat. Let's get started. In a chat, hover over a message you typed. From there, click the pencil to edit the message, or click the three dots, then delete to remove the message. It will be removed or edited for both you and the other person in the chat. So there you have it. Delete or edit your chat message in one easy step. If you have any specific questions about this tip, leave them in the YouTube comments below. Looking for more tips just like this? Follow Google Workspace on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and YouTube.